We're exploring the massive Caterpillar manufacturing hall today. If you want to see how these incredible machines are made, be sure to subscribe.
Bring it over to stack 4. Easy now, set it down gently. Copy that, lowering now.
The amplitude checks out right here.
Yes, consistent with the reference block. The weld is sound.
Ensure the flow consistency on the 7097.
It's holding steady. The mist looks fine.
The amplitude looks good on this joint. No indications above the threshold.
Confirmed. We are clear to proceed.
The pressure readings are stable across all banks.
Confirmed. The fuel flow synchronization is perfect. Ready for the final torque sequence on the turbos.
Almost there. Just a few more inches.
Looks perfect. Slowly now.
Almost there. Just a few more inches.
Looks perfect. Slowly now.
A little to the left, slowly. Copy that. Watching the lasers now. Okay, bring it down.
Torque checks complete and secure.
Excellent. The powertrain is validated.
That's it, right there. Pins are in position. Clear the area.
Lower it slowly. Watch the left side.
Okay, easy now.
Stop. Hold it there.
All clamps secured on this run.
Double checked. System integrity confirmed.
Continuity confirmed at 0.7. Good. Good. Let's get this section sleeved up.
Electrical reliability is built in. The truck becomes intelligent.
A little to the left.
Okay, hold it there.
Look straight, bring it in. Easy now, easy. Okay, she's seated. Thumbs up, boss, we got it. Easy now, easy. Okay, she's seated. Thumbs up, boss, we got it.
Redundant connections verified.
The interface confirms full integration. We are fully operational.
Make sure that mount is secure before we move up. It's tight. Handrails next. Bring it left slightly. Hold it there. Look centered on the hub. We adjusted the hydraulic pressure slightly on the suspension cylinder.
That explains the improved stability readings.
Master power engaged.
All systems nominal. Pressure stabilizing.
Phase complete. The alignment is perfect.
Temperature steady on all axles. We are clear for the next stage.